Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much and feel too little.
You were at church when all the incident happened?
Yeah, man, we are at church and everything.
Just tell us exactly what happened. From the beginning. All that you know from the beginning.
It's a long story, man. It's a long... Alright. Listen me. Somebody in the morning now, at a Sunday morning. The day when the incident happened, you understand? So in the morning, I did a clean up and take care of animal them because a regular routine every morning, you understand? So we did by time passed, by 9 o'clock, he put up a 9 or so. 9, 8 them time then put up on Facebook pages and they say, post, say, there's a tsunami coming. There's a tsunami coming. So all I remember them must gather up, you see me? Gather up and come to church. So that's the thing why everyone was there at first. So everybody see the post and thing. So I try to call my family them because I believe, because they know me feel say I did God, because I didn't tell you, say I'm a God in the flesh. And he deceived me, And I got there from me a 9-year-old. You see me? Till me a 18. Because I stop for a while when I go back and start work, do you understand?
Why did you stop?
I did just stop because you see me just start going to the world and get girl. That's the way I get a baby and stuff. Yeah. So I stop for a while and come back now and then. When you start calling people them and tell them about the tsunami, then some of my family them couldn't get their phone. So everybody who see the post come at the church, you understand? So after, because one nigga didn't name Andre, that I man cut the lady throat, Andre. Before all that happened, he did carry the cow them because he still have to take care of animal them. He carry cow them a bush up a Dunbar. That's why he keep feed the cow them every day. Routine every day, you understand? So me I run now if you catch him if you come in here because tsunami are coming, that thing say, you know? So we brainwash as hell, you know what I go on. Me I run like a bullet and me I run me see. Me want carry pop, blow up, run like it a come fast, you see me? When me look, me see I pass that come because I X16 drive, a black one. See license plate at 80, you know. Something to see me and say, oh, John, how this look serious. So when me run come up and he see me, I run come up in top and say, yo, come back, turn back, come in I half. So I couldn't bother get to go tell Andre, so I come back down in the car them. So I run back I carry and go and run up in the yard, you know. So I go up in the yard now. Then me in there long and I fret and dramatize, man, and feel away. I said, John, my family them I got dead and now I can't do nothing. You see me? So after we in there long and I see Andre start coming the cow them and thing like body start coming. Then after when you come in, you know, he tell me say, yo, Tissio ramen noodle. You see me we call it soap and yeah, and I'm dramatize with that. Yo, I tell us yo. Soap and the girl them, some girl did it, woman did it, so in stir up on them store pad and something, so they tell them to throw them everything out. Pad, tissue, ramen, you know, yeah, tin mackerel, bean, bully beef, water, everything. Dash them out because they come from the world. If you use natural things, that thing I tell you.
So what are these natural things would have been what?
Natural things would be like flour and rice, because them the thing they up there, see me?
But why would you want them to throw away tissue?
Because he must say, yo, when you go be at the same time, that thing he say. And every time you go be at, oh, we did a fool, yo, we say we fool, man. We fool, yo, I don't know if a fool or some type of speller or something. You put power, you see me? Yeah, so after we try dash them out and thing, you see me? Then one at a time now, when we start that dash and I go along bad in there. Alright, some people come in already. That's how we did it, because enough name come in. So, like, watch me. After I dash out something, me I come back, you know, when I wind, you tell one brother was dead named Kevin, and my 18-year-old like me.
You 18?
Yeah. Tell him, say, yo, up in one rum, like one wine, but a rum like red, for him drinking. So when Kevin go up in the wine, one lady didn't name Auntie Camille. She fling one box of rum and lick the wine mash here ground. So the wine mash now, because ready now. So when the man mash, I like mash in front of me. Our next woman on the side of me name Auntie Pam. After she get tapped to. After before everything. After I wine mash, he say, yo, everybody will wine mash in front of have a cup then short. If they come in the kingdom.
Hold on. So what did he? The lady who threw the ramen noodle hitting the bottle of wine to the ground. What did he say to her?
He never said nothing to her. And it's like it's an incident when she realized that I go on now when the man say, yo, everybody you might run splashing that in front of me splashing. And the lady, you know. So me and her I say pause, I say which throat have to go cut off.
Why did he say that would be necessary? Your throat would be.
We don't know why.
So who was to do this slashing of the throat?
That's the brother named Kevin. That I boy used to live with him.
So he was there?
He was there because he come in a car.
Okay.
He used to live with him.
Okay.
Yeah, so when after I said that man, I said John was star, but I kind of swift, you know, so I take time, when he now look, I take time and slide around ground on the part of the people them did there. So I go slide in there, so Antipata alone I left there and I feel, so John was going to kill Antipata now. But I couldn't do nothing. So I slide with left she, because she thought me afraid. I said, no man, you better move, I can't left you, you come in under there. You see me, I couldn't help her. I'm sorry for you, I couldn't help her. But she ain't dead. You see me, so Kevin, give Kevin a knife today and I say, yo, Kevin, you are Michael, my angel. Go and cut their throat, because he must say, yo, if you cut the throat, you can't come in our kingdom spiritually. Because God kingdom, he must say whatever fool. You see me?
So all of this took place outside the church?
Inside the church.
Inside the church, which he refers to as the ark.
Yeah.
Okay.
The ark. So we gather in the ark now, because if we out of the ark, it's not going to come and wash away.
Okay.
So that's everybody want to come inside, you see me?
Yeah. So when he told the Kevin to cut the throat, now what did Kevin do?
Alright, Kevin get a knife. Because he's like an influencer, you see me? He's like a mentor to everybody. Everybody look up to him like that, you see me?
To Kevin?
Yeah, everybody look up to him. For me myself, get brainwashed, I look up to him. I believe so him I did God in the flesh and all that.
So when he got the knife in his hand now, what did he do?
What you know now, when he get the knife in his hand now, isn't he? Kevin get the knife now. Corey walk in same time and said to him, Your Majesty, can I come in? And he said, Corey, we have to cut your throat for you to come in. So Corey bend down on his knees and say, Your Majesty, forgive me. Isn't me? Have mercy. So Kevin walk up with him. Walk up to him with the knife and get the instruction from him, isn't me? They walk up to him with the knife now and comes and slash off and throat, but you know catch him beard. Yes sir. See, like you realize that John was dead, nail dead, Corey get up and try run off. So Auntie Pop now, that she about 50 something there, kind of old, you see me? So she try run out with them. So Kevin run on, because you know, when he realized he's not dead, you know, Kevin, he passed and tell him, go and kill them before they get away. So Kevin try run and tap Corey in him back. Then tap Auntie Pop in him back too. Then he pass and run and go close the door and say the harp is closed, who outside shall die. You see me? After that's so close,
So you at this time, where were you? Inside or outside?
Yeah man, me inside man, cover myself up on the white sheet man where they have man.
So about how many other people were inside?
Alright, about 10 away and no man, 9 away man. Me, one girl named Pinky. Our next Pinky mother. Our lady named our deacon wife. But the deacon and the deacon wife have a son. She and his son, that's how much I don't even know. You see me? So Auntie Pam, my little brother, my mother's son, DJ named Devon Ramsey. Devon Ramsey. You see me? Devon Ramsey. Who else? And the police lady. Yeah.
So the police lady, she was to die also?
No, she wasn't. She inside her.
She had a gun with her?
Yeah, man. She have a gun and everything.
You saw the gun?
Yeah, man. The gun up on her waist, man.
What was she wearing?
Suit, the police suit.
Police
white,
suit.
No man, a black with the red stripe. You know.
But then he told everybody to wear white. Why was she dressed in the?
No, she dressed now, but she cover herself with the with the white. Okay. Yeah. You see me? So after that man in the day, the whole of it is like it's church part off with a red sheet. You see it? Part off. So over that part they will food them on the ground, they done so. I believe say a bun back of disaster like happen now. We say anybody outside and mother got dead and I said John would
Did it appear as if the police woman believed his story?
Yeah man, everybody believe man. Everybody believe. Big brainwash man. Big brainwash man. Everybody believe. So we did there wait and he passed around them, he started a couple things, mash them up, mash up, he wind them round pan it, mash up cheer, mash up everything. Mash up glass and all, cut up himself and a ball out in the church. I mean I say, oh, what is this man? I wonder if a chance saw me around there, chance saw me in God now. That be your things around your mind now, isn't it? Then he walk and cuss and walk and say people turn them back on him and he come in the flesh and we don't realize him and all type of something. That's God. We don't realize him. So we did up on the gun and him walk and you see me? Come out something, he all walk away. He walk on him, up on the gun and he walk on him. I said, John, where's some money, a big old heavy money I walk on him with that.
Were you, how were you feeling about him at that time when all these things were happening? Even when he walked on you, how did you feel about him? Did you still maintain your respect for him and believe in his word?
You know, so I tell you the truth, I still maintain respect. I don't know. I feel like say, he might way now because, you see me? Because everybody out the door, it's now me I go kill them. So I say, he may have to look to them. I don't know why next move him I go kill we have and tell we say, once we dead we go and go heaven. You see me? That the thing around your mind. Because I must have to turn off all the phone and I turn off my phone now. And after that man, he walk past man, you see me? Sit down then he get up back. Then he lick out when I window them. Lick out when I window them man. Then he, you know, about 20 minutes after man, he open the door. Open the door and then he go out the door. And start ask who. Because some people could come on the property. Because people want to come in and ask, you know. So they ball out say, Your Majesty, Your Majesty, let us in, we're gonna die. You see me? I said, you're cheering evil though. I said, man, you're only God.
So them want come in.
Yeah.
So the girl.
So in God,
the girl, no, well, finish your point.
Yeah, so in God, the man and I said, who are you? And Corey said, is that Corey? Then he said, Corey, come in my son. That a Corey you want to kill him. This is the man, the head gone there, so. But me still never, me no realize, say, yo, this a man a mad man. Mad piece of man that.
What did Corey do?
Corey come in with his wife and he pick him man. His wife and he pick me about there and girl, you see me?
This is after he got stabbed?
Yeah. After he got stabbed out, they bleed out and after he use towel and thing and hold him bleeding, you see me?
He came back in?
He come back in.
And what happened after?
When he come back in now, the pastor say, alright. Can you look out on the window, you know? Say, pastor say, alright. We're going to work as a team, you know, you see me? We're going to nail up the window, the part of the window, them nail up your sheet. We call it shield wrap, something. We make, when the water come, it can't come in. So you must say, all the man them nail up, you know, you see me? And guess what now, you must say, yo, all the man them in there must take off their clothes. Cover and wear white. You see me? So I say, yo, what is that now for how we do, Jack? You see me? But yo, we follow a procedure, brother, but no man never take off them clothes fully, we have on a shorts, you see me? But then put on it white. You see me? So no man really naked, you see me? Because that don't work, you understand? So man them put on the white and I try work where you must say yourself nail up. So after the day I try to get everything up, man, you must say, alright, you have on paper or a list. The members them pan, you understand? And I say, yo, the members them, alright, you can go out on the boardwalk. Because some people pack up out the road now, you know? Pack up to come in, you know, because they carry their family, their suitcase, everything. Come, be ready for coming in upon their church, you know? You see me, so you must say, alright.
Come in the hawk.
The hawk. Call it hawk now, yo. Man, yeah, but me I say, yo. He saying I go out there, yo. So he say, yo, me. That's Andre. You see Andre? He tell him, say, alright. He going want somebody to turn up at the gate for letting the people them when he call them. You understand?
Andre would be who now?
Andre Rodok. You know, he my security then.
Okay. So Andre should stay at the gate telling people, and?
Yeah. But he want somebody else. That somebody else there, me. I tell him, say, me do it, because I know, isn't me? I say, me letting the people them, I don't have a problem with that. So we know white and thing, you understand? So no man there naked, no funny thing.
This was about what time? All this was happening now. When he said, okay, we can start letting in people.
Yeah, that's about 5:30.
5 in the evening?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So then get up off and cheer in our church and then we can next year go there go give him. So he sit down out there. But when he sit down out there, or sick man did there, you know, and wait for him, you know.
Taxi man?
I mean, I never taxi
okay.
man. But he's sick, he like, look like about 40, 38 them time.
Was this man a member of the church?
No,
okay.
Man a member. He come to come look for him because he's sick.
Okay.
So you know want chest tube, you have a chest tube like you need sick and doctor, you see me? Stitch him up and thing. So he pastor look upon him and say, yo, do you believe that I am God? And the man say, yes, I believe. Do you believe that I can resurrect you when you die? And the man say, yes. So he pastor I say, alright. Pull out the chest tube out of man. The man start bleed out and him. While the man start bleed out, the man take off his shirt, take off his pants, and Andre and our next man, we don't know his name. It's like enough people there, see me, put him on the ground and make him man bleed out. That man you see on the ground, he black. Black man, him black, slim and black. He bleed out on the ground, man. And the pastor say he must die. And I resurrect him again, you understand? Yes, and I say, yo, God. But this man really God now with you, man. You see me? I see a man like a young brain there, because yo, I don't know what else, you know. Because me look, me I go to family at 9, you know, understand? I know, me never go know how the church go, you see me? Yeah, family at 9. So I did it alright, and then he send me a gate. And he's done there on the chair, I call now. So some people come in, let them in, you see me, because he say anybody who come in, whenever come in, run up to kill them. Run up, whoever I got a gate. Can give me a knife, you know? Give me one knife, he give Rodok one knife, yeah?
And give you one?
And give me one, I say Rodok to kill anybody. Did they? Who are coming whenever come in.
So Rodok was the security? Was the same one who was charged?
Yeah.
Was charged? Okay.
Yeah, man. So after I did the call, so name and thing. About 30 minutes pass and few people come in. Then he call the black lady. But no, what your name, man? I forgot her name.
The one who was killed?
Yeah.
Tanika?
Tanika.
You called her, yeah?
She said, Tanika? And she shouted out, yes, I'm here. And then she come in with her clothes and thing. And the pastor said, do you believe that I am God in the flesh? And she said, yes. And then the pastor said, do you believe that I can resurrect you again when you die? And the girl said, yes, you see me? And then the pastor said to Andre, saying, go and kill her. And me but this girl no mad small, you know, they ain't dead. Run for your life. In my mind, no. Because if me did say it out loud, maybe that said sense might be going to kill me instead. But tell us you're some type of foolish, brother.
What did she do after the pastor said that? Did she put up any resistance or she stood there waiting to be killed?
She hold up her hand. She hold up her hand and start bawling and say, God, you are God. That I tell the man, say, my God, you know. You are God, you are God. So I kneel on her knee and the man just go and run out, just go and cut it. I see a man cut the woman throat. I say, John, really this a go on? Is a woman, the man just kill in front of me. I look at me and say, yo, no man. This serious. Because that time I pray, say, we go tap him. But if me go tap him, maybe me get shot or, you see me? So me I say, yo, John, brother, this I get serious. Me have to go left the place right now. But me name move. So after that, man, he start call some people, then he send me. He go kill one cow. Call me. Can call me in change Kevin from Michael to me now, because me there gate. So he say me I got the place, so he say me and Michael. You see me, so I send me to go kill the cow, and I say, watch it. To me want left on this, so you know, me say, I'm go try go kill the cow and left on the front half. You see me? So me say, watch it, I'm lose the cow now, you know. I make the cow start running up, because I know when the cow start running, the cow run, go way up a bush and thing, and that's what I want to reach. But me fool, me reach up there and I go away.
Why? Why you didn't run away? Was it this? But did you feel like you were under a spell why you didn't go?
Yo, me feel me under some type of spell, you see me? And the next thing to me look where I did there, my name and cut left him so. Because me look where I did there too, you know. And me I say, yo, what happen to you? I'm going to kill him or so I want to stick around and see what go on. So I run go up in the bush with the cow, man. I couldn't catch the cow, man, and me. So me up there for a while, by 10 minutes pass, I'm up there try to pick up and couldn't find him. Me hear pow, pow, pow. Me say, shot start fire now. I walk on, who dead? So me I say, one if I'm looking brother get shot on them thing, you know, see, on the police them start shot. Cause that time the police them start gather around now, you know. Soldiers start gather around, cause they say, no man, this is serious. But me say this him and a God now, you see me? Me say him a God. That me believe in a man could say, yo, can me get brainwashed, you know, you see me? So me I say, yo, alright, he must gonna use some type of power now on top of everything. That me, yeah, that me I say that man look at mine, you see me? Big old foolish man, you see me? So yo, so I go back down there now. Go back down there now, but I no kill the cow, you see me? I no get to kill the cow, I no draw no blood none at all. So I go back down there and say, I go down there and go lay down on the boardwalks and cover myself and say, yo, alright, that's what me I done, you know. I now go nowhere else, you see me?
At that time, where were the police and soldiers?
They were in the bushes.
Oh.
I look and I wonder who fire I shot. You see me? So I did go cover myself and I look. Go right back I pass, I'm going right back I can still in the chair, I go back I, you know. Go lay down on the ground side, I dead man, you know. The man up on the ground are dead, you know, me like in the last breath, man, because the man I try hold out for long, like I last breath in here, you know. Pass I sit down them look, me see gun on the ground. Cause like that time they a Corey shot at me, you know. He get Corey 2 shot now back, you know. So I say Corey. I walk and I say, Your Majesty, I got shot. Can you heal the pain? And I say, yo, who shot this man here now? Me no know, say I'm shot him. I'm tell me say I get shot. I'm shot him. I say Jesus and peace. So man, you see me say I get Corey 2 shot and then he shot out by police. Them that Corey tell me. After I shot him 2 times, he shot out by police. Them. But the police said, never fire no shot yet. You see me, so we did it and he gunned up on the ground and he did it on his phone. I have a policeman kneel inside the end, so.
The policewoman?
And I tell the police, and the policewoman have a gun in the hand, so. And he have a buckler, a case of tropical blue water. You don't know if I drink, you have it make a human drink off every whole like water, whole 24 water.
The policewoman?
Yeah. And if I drink, you make him drink off here or something, but he take out one by one, like in wash off him or something. And tell her, say, yo, go on, go worry police, then me give you power, you can't dead, go on. So the policewoman get up, because he give policewoman a robe, you know. When a female robe, them put on you over her. So she feel mighty, you know, like so she can't dead. So the policewoman walk like a robot a galang. But she no go fire no shot at all. She turn up one side, so lean over and say, yeah man, we have sense. Then the pastor said to her, say, shoot! Start fire! But she not start fire, you see me? And I say, yo, but this man, you kill him and kill off all of you. That time there be a laser point, you know, in her head back, a laser point for me. I say, God, me dead now. You see me? You know, laser on the gun them. Rifle man a point up. You see me?
So at this time the policewoman was just standing there?
Yeah, she was.
Did she have her gun in her hand?
She have her gun in her hand, but she walk from the board for the pass of the go we one place to go out from the police them. But she turn up at a place now, she not go out, she not fire no shot.
Was she in her uniform or she was in the robe?
The robe, yeah.
Could
man.
you see?
Cover her robe, cover her uniform.
So nobody could see that she was a police if you look?
She couldn't, nobody could see.
So when she went up to the police officers?
No, she never went up.
Oh, she didn't go to them?
No man, she still up right at church door man. I wait man like she say, yo, I want him to do this. Cause man, power like the man say, yo, you can't dead. They give you power now, go and go war. You see me? So the woman turn up to them man. And now move man. Now move and still left on the ground see me, you know. Then me see pass like 20 minutes pass, the woman tell me for long. Now I move police them now for no shot, nothing and go on. Then me see Kevin. Kevin like him get mad like Duppy take him now.
This is the one who slashed the girl's throat. Was it Kevin?
No.
Oh, okay.
The one who slashed the girl's throat to Andre man.
Okay. So Kevin is who was the security?
No man, Kevin I his son. Now real son, you know, we live with him.
Okay.
But I want to literally live with him, you see me? But him and Kevin live. 2 of them live together and take him as his son, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah. You see me? So me just there at work today. Me just at work take care of animals, you see me?
So Kevin got mad, you say, and did what?
Yeah, Kevin got mad. You see me? Kevin got mad, man, and take up a knife, man, and say, he pass, I tell him, say, go! No shot can kill you. You cannot die. You are immortal. go and fight. You say, Kevin, take up a long old knife, someone like a, you know, a Rambo knife, eh? Take up a knife and run out for soldier and police. Was shot fire, man, what, man? He passed dead, man. About 15 shot in get. Dead, man.
How old was he?
My 18. My 18 like me.
So this is somebody who you knew and you used to
man,
speak
since
to?
me go to church, man, I know him, man. Yeah, man, I rate him, man, because I talk, you see me, like, we talk reason about God, and you see me, I reason about life and thing, and read book, and you see me.
So it appears if he worshipped the pastor?
He worship, you know, he respect him to his fullest. Because you tell the truth, you know, he never come about no pastor worship. He has to say, I God the worship, you see me?
Okay.
He has to worship God.
Okay. So you got the
So Kevin was like my G, you see me? My real G, yeah. Yeah, so after I'm dead now, he pass, 10 minutes pass, he still stood on his chair. Then he get up. Then the gun did their ground when he shoot out, they can done out the whole like.
Where did he get this gun from?
A police gun.
The police woman?
2 gun did them, man. No, man. Me know where he get that gun there from. Me know if I police have 2 gun and give him 1, but me know say 1 did their ground and the police gun, the 1 we go show the police him. So I don't know where he get that one there from, you see me? When me look, me see him like he gun did up on his step, like him jump on his step. So when he get up, he go a step and look on the gun and realize how the clip empty. So he start walk around. You see me? So he start walk around. Then he, cause when he start walk around, he call me, you know. He said, come Michael, come walk with me. Somebody there walk side of him, so I say, yo, what this man gonna make me dead? No, run me for my life, you know. Cause I trying to walk, you know. Then he walk up on the pool, you know. So
On the pool?
Yeah, so he walk around the pool 2 times. 2 times he walk around the pool. You see me? When he walk on the pool 2 times, he walk and say, alright, I'm going to church now. So he go, because me hear some things on the media saying walking in the pool naked. No, not like that. He don't want joggers and in t-shirt. I mean, you see me in a robe like a white. No, I be a foolish that, you see me? None of that. So after we walk going to church, you see me, I walk side of him, so police them run down upon him, push him and kick him and say, yo, good on sir, boy, good on sir. You see me? When I say, yo, and they point the gun for me and say, yo, stay down, yo. But after people realize the police are coming now, they will then try run up. They might try run and try get me. So the soldier them take the hair off of me. They say, me lift up, man, Jesus and peace, me run like a bull.
Where you ran to?
Me run to the back of the church, the party fall cook them there and the goat them, you see me? Up there, so me shot go like a bull, but me a goat the man. It's a rifle, me see turn on for my head, someone and me see 3 shot, 3 come out of the gun, you know. Pam, 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 pam. You see me and me see smoke, you see me and the gash and everything. Half of me, you know.
Who did this? The police?
I want police, man, you see me? But I don't know how. I want police, but I don't know how. Because I don't wrong him, because if I see a man run up on you, so in a dem thing, I don't know why he have. The man gonna shoot. You see me? So I shoot and I realize none of touch me. I tap someone and look me and I say, yo brother, I not, you know. I cut more and cut, you know. So till the boss like he just fire 1 more, you see me? And he fly right to my chest, man. So I spin and drop and I say I'm dead now. My family them can't tell them later now.
Oh, so it's a police shoot you?
Yeah man, it's a police man, you see me? But I ain't job mad still. I don't know, you see me? Because if I'm run up on you as a police officer, you know, say I be shot like this. You see me? You not doing job, you see me? So we talk upon the ground man and the man, the police officer say, yo, when you realize me is a youth, he come and say, yo, you're good youth. Yeah, get help man, you're good man. Stay right there, man. I go feel. The man will give me all the water. I say, yo, give me some water, because I'm thirsty, you know, I never dead, me dead, you know, I'm thirsty, so I never thirsty, so in my life. I take a big old jump water, animal water, I drink, you know. Big old cup of animal water, so I do a top down, man. After that, man, I dip on the ground. And I bleed out like a nothing, like a rain, man. I bleed out, man.
By this time, what was going to your mind as it relates to your family and your own?
Family, man, my girl, my baby mother, and everything, man. Everything, brother. Life, you see me, how am I going to help my mother now, how am I going to take my mother out of poverty and get a new life, you see me? Everything just mash up, you see, brother. I dip on the ground, man, and I say, God, I'm gone now, you know.
So the pastor, I hear that this man was the person who used to send his money to the pastor.
Who
The
that?
one that who he pulled the tube out of him, that he was overseas, was
Yeah.
working, sent his money to the pastor, and then when he came back, he told the pastor that he wanted back some of his money, and the pastor got upset. That's what I heard.
That's why pastor kill him.
That's what I
No,
heard.
sir.
Well,
I
we
like
don't
that,
know.
man. I
We
like
don't
that.
know about that.
I like that, my general. I don't know of that. Because when me did it, when the pastor asked him, pastor said to him, say, yo, do you believe that I am God? And the man said, yes. And he said, do you believe that I can
That's what the
resurrect
person
you
said
when
to
you
me
die?
too.
Yeah.
Mm.
Do you believe that I can resurrect you when you die? And the man said, yes. And the pastor just pull out your time.
What is it that made people believe that this man was God himself?
And you see, Saturday was like a gathering, you see me? So, yo, you see like a man in the church, that's when he take out all like chair them or film chair alone on the altar and thing. The man voice come like a thunder when he match at, and he plays white, you see me, and like a legion of, yo, to me him face a God in turn in this up. Cause we man chat and I say, yo, bow down and cover yourself, that when everybody in a white, you know, you see me, cover yourself, yo, because if I look up in a man face, I'm my dead man. I got some type of power, some type of legion, some type of, I don't know
But even
what that,
before that,
I don't know what that, you see me?
even before that night, it would appear as if the people really respected this man and,
Yo, you
and feel
respect
like
him.
he was God.
They respect him to the fullest, man.
But why? What did he do? He used to give them stuff,
They like what kind of stuff?
food stuff, money, send them to school.
Yeah, man.
You know
Like,
people who helped.
Yeah, man, if you not go to school, man, and you see a man, you see me, make you get to know a school or do a job or something, or help, he always do food bank, you see me, like, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Like, he just call him members, them or visitors, anybody, issue out food to them. There was a, you see me, there was a,
Outreach ministry?
Albion, some people live. You always care food and bread and everything good on there. Go give them like stuff like that. You see me? So people they look up to him as a, you see me, elder. But when he does start, say, him a God. Some people, some, you know. So I remember them left, you know, I tell you the truth, some left, you know. But 1 and 2, like all 15% out of 100 left. But the rest of the 85, they stick. And I said, this a man I really God, me didn't know for a long time. Because some miracle when me see him work, Antichrist.
What kind of miracle? Did you see any miracle that he worked?
Yo, me see miracle, man.
What? Tell us
Me
about
see
that.
sick man come them, man, and when he touch them, man, I start praying, man, the woman run, man. Run. And I shout out, Jesus, Jesus. And me say, yo,
sick how though?
sick. Can't walk, man, him foot swell up, man, and like, when I'm bone them broke. Broke. Yeah, broke.
Mm-hmm.
And he touch him, and the woman straighten up, man, and I run, man. And me I say, yo, what this, man? What kind of power this, Isn't
And
it?
you're
Sick people come, people we can't see, people we can't talk, then talk. Miracle, man, I tell them, man, miracle, man. Miracle. Me see heal a woman with dead in come back to life. Woman dead.
But how you know how you know the woman was dead?
Eh?
How you know the woman was dead?
Woman in a church, you know, woman dropped down dead in a church, you know.
But remember, only a doctor
because-
can pronounce someone
Yeah,
dead.
because he's a doctor. He's a doctor, I think it's like Dr. Kevin Smith, you know. That's her name, you know. When he check the woman and the woman top breed, you know. Then everybody start in call the officers them and say, yo, gather around the woman and start pray. So when everybody start pray for y'all, like, oh, I know, then him start pray, and you see me, everybody start pray, then me see woman get up back, man, and start walk, man. Me say, no, man, this a man here, where he come from, and who him?
So he is the one who pronounced the woman, who said that the woman was dead.
Yeah, man, you dead, man.
You know what? And how are you convinced that all of this wasn't just some trick? Because anyone can set up a woman to come pretend like you're dead because you want people to believe that, you know, I did actually raise you from the dead. This could have been a plan by both of them to trick the members.
Well,
what do you think?
Man, me get a pill, man. It's a wicked pill me get then, brother. Yo, to be honest, me never think that, you know. Really not think that. Cause me look at man just, you see me just feel say me they have safe places. A God me a serve, you see me, I know say a God, and me a work and take care of myself, and me respect him, you see me? Me respect him. But to tell you the truth, Me never see him push no type of violence or no type of funny movements. He just come and talk about God. Yo, this man I only man me ever see for earth to talk about God. So talk about God all you know if he join hobby and rub up island, guard ring and not do this and not cut goat throat and you see me and not cut no type of blood sacrifice and them thing. Yeah. So when he come man and I start certain things man, it's still sticking on my brain so you see me, him so them things there so he pill me man, he get a wicked pill man. But now me know say yo man.
When you heard that he died?
When he dead?
When you heard that he died,
yo,
yourself?
Me saying dead man, I tell him man, you know what I'm saying? But God I hear me still know but me did kinda feel a little release, me feel kinda blessing. Because me I say yo, if him dead, that means say yo, cause he work with some power, you know. And if he know you, maybe he come back for you spiritually or physically or something, you see me, some type of power he work with. Because me say he might kill man, every man when they're around are dead and you see me, some type of power he work with.
So you were relieved when you heard that he died?
Yeah man, relieved man.
You felt good?
It felt good, me not tell a lie. Me feel good man, you see me? I feel good, me not tell a lie. Me feel good man. I don't say me rejoice with my dead, but you know, I feel good man, I feel say God do it for a reason, because why he do? Yo, it's a wicked something do man, it's a wicked something. He stray God people, he lead God people into Babylon, you see me? So God has said you have to pay for what you do, you know? You got to burn, you know man.
Do you know, have you lost faith in pastors, in church?
Yo, me lost faith in the pastors, church, even people too. Because mother tell me say, yo, you see me, some man a come, me I feel say, mommy, me no want you know about nobody a come, me no know nobody. That's why I feel ask if this safe. Because yo, right now, me hard to trust, but
I can understand, you know, after all of that, it's going to take a while for you to trust anybody again. Have you got counseling?
Yo, not even counseling, me no see, you know. Because I don't counsel myself, so you know, say I just, you see me? If I don't stick to myself, I know, say yo, just trust who we trust. Because I not tell them, I just mother, I'm just some people, but not some. We just have to watch you and see your role and see what's going on. But me just, not even man, me no want their own brother, because me no want their own no man.
Do you think you'll ever get over this?
Eh?
Do you think you'll ever get over this?
Yo, you can't get over. Me think me get over it still, but some bruises gonna still left back, you see me? If something funny move or any type of way, you gonna lead back to that, you see me? Yeah. Or any sign, you see me?
You say you used to cut, but you used to cut the members here also.
Yeah.
So you've lost stuff in the church? You lost stuff, your share and your barber?
Yeah man, my share and my clothes and my, even if all money, you know, money still, I look over 5 grand, 10 grand, you see me save up, you see me? And clothes and all even birds, everything get left out. But me not go back up there. Me nah, no man, everything I've got left up there, so man. We have got to start all over, man. Because yo, up there so is like grass is to me right now. Up there so done for, man. Me done for up there, man.
Have you gone back up there or passed there since?
No, me not pass, no. Look, man, this man. My mother go there yesterday and get some, like, get 2 shots for my wheel, you see me? But me not go back up there. None time. Me not go back up there, man. Me not go back up there, man. Me not go back there, man.
Would you go back to church?
Yo, church.
But one of the things though, you know.
Just read the Bible, yo.
One of the things is for you to know God for yourself.
Yeah, I read the Bible and pray to me, isn't it? Me not church thing and the pastor thing, no, sir. I'm done with that, man. I tell you, say, yo, you're like in head lick. Like in just going around demons force, so yo, if you go just kill.
I heard there was
when
a
you come back in the right mind, the man say, yo, Corey, you this? Oh God, Corey nearly dead. I think tell him man, he say nearly dead, you know? And then I tell him if you come in the hawk, you are safe. Then after a man come in the hawk and we are calling people, you know, then the police them he shot the man 2 times again, you know. And then I tell the man say you are immortal, you cannot die. After I shot the man, I tell him say you can't die. The man I say, yo, me I feel pain, no man, you cannot die. I pray for him and blow water upon him. Blow water upon the man, brother. I tell the man say you can't die. Tell the man feel pain till he run upon the ground, some man, and come up himself in a beer sheet, man. That's some type of foolish.
I heard that somebody said that somebody was shot, went away and come back and say he's not leaving the ark. He has to be in the ark, but he eventually died. I don't know if that's true.
Somebody was shot.
I went away and come back and say.
You know, so I don't know about the one there though. I don't know about the one there at all. I don't know, you see me?
Alright,
Just
brother.
tell her me know, I'm not sure about that part there. Yeah.
Why would he need umbrella at all
Alright,
times?
I tell her what about that now. You see that now? He was a baptism man, you see me? Cause him say he's a prophet. God. Before he starts saying my God, he say my prophet from God, he sent from God, you see me? You see me? So when I go out in the sun or rain, somebody if he did there for the umbrella, cause he must say in the Bible say, no sun shall touch a royal head, a king's head and them thing there, you see me? And they brainwash me. And they brainwash everybody, you see me?
They said they found a picture of a soldier in the church.
Yeah man, I
also.
see soldier boy man.
He was there the night? He was there the night when they...
Incident happened? No, in the day, Saturday when the body together. First gather in the white.
The soldier man?
Yeah. Yeah man, he did it man.
His wife was...
Pin. But I don't know him, you know. I tell him I don't know him.
You get the impression that the pastor was all about money?
You know, so I tell her the truth, make me feel that impression there already. Because when I talk, he must say, alright, God say, come my servants, give all that you have, give everything, only live a fear sometimes. If I get fear
too.
Even you fear them.
Sometimes he asks for the fear too.
Sometimes even ask you fear me fam.
Sometimes he asks for the
Even your fear you ask someone and say, yo God we provide man, give it.
So what happens when people give their fear?
Sometimes people ask in churches to carry them home man, you see me? So that go on then next day they beg their neighbor money and things, you see me? Yeah, I when like every new year we start, he tell them say 1 month, January, the whole of January, every money we get, that your first fruit. Come in, if I even $1 carry go and give him. So if you get $1 million, you can't take not even $10 out of there, you can't give him.
And people would do that?
People do it man, but me never do it. So my name did always wrong on that, he always attack, because when he always talk, when he done talk, call out people them name who no carry in the first fruit, you see me? So me always step on that. I mean I give no man my money with me. You're mad? You're mad man, no man. Me not do it man.
When you trim him, he would pay you? When you
Yeah
trim
man,
the
he pay me man, he pay me. Yeah man, he pay me man, you see me? I'm true man, cause me need something I tell us I'm not too like there on him, I don't know why.
Even though you respect him?
I respect him but I'm not too like there on him, you see me? Because he in chat about God and beating and talk. You see me, he just talk some things I don't really understand. So I just stay in my category, you see me alone. Because my family me did it, me alone, I just work and take care of animal. That I do, me take care of animal today.
So would you get paid for taking care of the animal?
Yes man, I get 10 grand a week man, you see me?
Oh.
Yeah, I get 10 grand a week.
Okay. For all the time that you've been in hospital,
Yeah.
what were some of the things that ran through your mind while you were there, for the week you were there?
Alright. Yo, I know say enough things happen, brother. Enough things. Me I wonder say me can look, see about my family and things. See about my son, you see me, see about my baby mother, see about my mother, you see me, people them. And I tell me all I'm asleep and I feel like a spiritual world me I go in, brother. Me see some people that pull me in a spiritual world and then my heart jump one time, so boop, then I come back. And I say, what going on so? Sweat out, me get up, me look, me say me sweat out man and me look black and look like a dopey man. Dopey brother, me say yo, hospital bed, me not like them man. First, up original me there first and then they treat me good up there, you know.
Where?
Corner original and they send me over Falmouth, you know. But corner original me I call nurse till me weak in nurse them and say you the part, you're the part of the killing. And me I say part of which killing woman? But all nurse you know. Me have to say me the part of no killing, look man me good, me a youth, me a kill woman for a woman me love, me a kill woman me love.
So they treated you badly, would you say?
No, that's she alone. But actually me like it, you see me, but out of Falmouth more nicer, you see me, so they really because I come in there so new nurse, young girl like me, like not me, young girl in my age, you see me? Young girl like my age, me see out them man, you see me? So them jam me guys, so I just kinda feel nice out there, you see me? Yeah, I kinda feel nice when the sick bed man, you take care of me out there man, yeah? Yeah man, they beat me and thing. When I feel nice to see a young nurse beat me, And I feel like, what? Change all my shirt and my pants, man. And give me my tea every morning, man.
But the ones at Cornwall, they weren't.
No, I be all the man of a Cornwall, man. You see me? No young girl up there, man. Them
But
kind
did you get any treatment like did they scorn you as if no man?
Yeah, man,
you were
they scorn me. Yeah, man, they scorn me, man. Up there, man, they scorn me and I see you. Because they don't know how I go. They know the truth, you see me? But like now, they I know the truth. And because a long time I want to do this, you know, because I always say, oh, I feel up in a YouTube and send out it. So I'm glad you see me, I'm glad I can get out the truth, man, you see me? Long time there, man, because people believe the wrong thing, brother, because be a propaganda spread all about, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, man.
Alright, man.
For real, bro. I tell you, man, I'll be a thing, man. This is what really I go on, you see me, so I make the world know, you see?
The misery that is now upon us is but the passing of greed. The bitterness of men who fear the way of human progress. The hate of men will pass, and dictators die. And the power they took from the people will return to the people. And so long as men die, liberty will never perish. Soldiers, don't give yourselves to brutes. Men who despise you, enslave you, who regiment your lives, tell you what to do, what to think, and what to feel, who drill you, diet you, treat you like cattle, use you as cannon fodder. Don't give yourselves to these unnatural men, machine men with machine minds and machine hearts. You are not machines, you are not cattle, you are men. You have the love of humanity in your hearts. You don't hate, only the unloved hate, the unloved and the unnatural. Soldiers, don't fight for slavery, fight for liberty. In the 17th chapter of St. Luke it is written, the kingdom of God is within man, not one man nor a group of men, but in all men, in you. You, the people, have the power to create machines, the power to create happiness. You, the people, have the power to make this life free and beautiful, to make this life a wonderful adventure. Then in the name of democracy, let us use that power. Let us all unite. Let us fight for a new world. Decent world that will give men a chance to work, that will give youth a future and old age a security. By the promise of these things, brutes have risen to power, but they lie. They do not fulfill that promise. They never will. Dictators free themselves, but they enslave the people. Now let us fight to fulfill that promise. Let us fight to free the world, to do away with national barriers, to do away with greed, with hate and intolerance. Let us fight for a world of reason, a world where science and progress will lead to all men's happiness.